Ito yung Bible.
Hi, good morning!
Morning!
Kamusta? Walang energy, grabe. Parang okay lang po.
Okay lang po!
How are you today?
Good!
Dapat yata may ganun eh, no? Alright, so again, thank you. Yan. Alright, alright. Sige. Any guess kung how our January ended? Although, at the moment, I don't have the official numbers kasi katatapos lang yan nung Friday, right? Nung cut-off ng Friday. So we stayed and finished that day. Siguro just to give an idea, we grew, tama si DM Shasha, we grew pero not as we wanted to in terms of significance. Kasi same period last year, we were at 43.1 million. Ngayon, unofficially, again, ang caveat ko, unofficial, 43.3. So parang halos 200,000 yung in-increase. Tama ba? Alright. And then mapapansin nyo, these are the matrices no, that drives our APE. Di ba alam naman natin, there are three key matrices that drive APE. Case size, tapos cases per active agent or case productivity, at saka active agents, right? If you multiply all those three, you can get your APE, di ba? Okay, tanungin ko lang kayo, as all leaders naman tayo dito, you have your own units, di ba? Among the three, saan kayo pinaka may influence? Case size, case productivity, o active agent? Active agent, tama. In fact, this year has been very consistent sa case size. Nung Q4, when we really grew significantly versus the previous year, maganda yung case size natin. So okay na tayo. Very good na tayo sa case size kasi better na tayo. In fact, lamang tayo ng 2 to 3,000 in terms of average from 2024 versus 2023. Hindi pa naka-carve out yun. In terms of case productivity, halos dikit lang naman. Pero ang kailangan natin talaga i-focus mga kapatid, kung tatanungin niyo ako, active agent lang talaga. Alright? And mamaya may papakita ko sa inyo doon sa dulo, kaninang isa sa mga incentive natin, which I like the most. Kasi for the longest time, ang focus ng incentive natin puro na AP. Pero ngayon, talagang dinadrive na yung unit managers to push for active agents. Kasi if there's one thing LIA District is very good at, recruitment. One time masabi, in fact, tayo yung, nasa atin yung top recruiter no, sa unit level. And then sa sector natin, tayo yung nagtatap lagi. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, 28%, 25 to 28% of the new recruits galing talaga sa SLIA for the sector. Ganun kalaki ang contribution ng SLIA District. I'm not saying mag-stop tayo sa recruitment, pero sana kung meron ako i-request, can we start monitoring our active agents moving forward?
Active agent!
Active agent. Pwede ba yun? Yes! Monitor yung active agent. Mag-assign kayo sa sarili niyo as leaders, ano yung goal ko na active agent every month. Pag tinotal natin lahat yon, i-multiply mo yun sa case size at saka case productivity, mape-predict mo na agad kung magkano yung APE mo by the end of the month. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Alright guys? Active agent is the key. Alright? Now, I have here some rankings that I would like to share. But again, ang caveat ko, hindi pa siya buo. Kasi meron dito, nakuha ko lang yung data as of January 29. So hindi pa talaga buo. Pero just for you to have an idea, district level, no? Ano ba rank natin as of January 29? 6 tayo. Alright? So Gulia, with 2 days pa yan. So meaning may nadagdag pa na benta dyan. So, computing nyo na lang, you ended at 43, so roughly, nadagdagan kayo ng 5 million ng 2 days. 1, 2, 3, sorry, 5 pala. Ginawa ko ba? Alright. Okay na. 5 tayo, okay. So, Gulia leads pa rin at 70 million, followed by A2D, and then of course, si Aslia, tsaka si Lazarette. Guys, ito, ako for me, Q1, feeling ko kaya nyo mag-top 3. Diba? And then, continuous natin mo.
Actually guys, if you think about it, no, meron akong kausap kasi dito madalas. It's just a matter of time, guys. No, kasi ano lang naman numbers lang, syempre malaking bagay, no? Ahente lang talaga yung marami. Pero guys, so, kung titignan nyo hanggang Aslia, ilang milyon lang, di ba? 4M. Kaya naman natin. No, but of course, top 3 is not the goal. Syempre, number 1, yung goal. Kaya naman natin, team, lalo kung marami mag-MDRT talaga. Okay, guys, active agents ha, yun yung laro ngayon. Tsaka, yun nga, MDRT, para maka-number 1 tayo.
Thank you. So baby steps, no? Kung kaya nyo mag-top 3 ng Q1, top 2 ng Q2 by Q3, nakikipag-compete na kayo sa number 1. Alright. And then ito, unofficial naman, branch ranking naman as of January 31. Unofficial again, no? So, ito, in terms of APE, Prislia is ranked 10th nationwide. Palakpakan naman natin, Prislia. Prislia, 16th. And Boslia, 23rd. Ito na yung ranking ng iba nating mga branches as well, nationwide. Again, this is based on unofficial, so hindi pa siya buo. So, kapag nakuha ko yung official, i-share ko uli sa mga senior leaders ninyo. But the fact, guys, the fact that 3 of the top 25 galing sa SDIA, may promise, right? May potential. Wait, no, there's more. Pakita ko sa inyo naman yung UM. Alright. Sa UM sa top 25, ito yung pumasok. So, ito yata yung sa alright, so congratulations naman. John Mateo, ranks 3rd. Si Roma Avir, ranks 4th. Okay. Shasha Direct, ranks 8th. Casey, ranks 10. And then Dorothy, ranks 21st. Zara, ranks 22nd. So, ano pinakalimutan ko dito? Si Marydel, sorry, I forgot to put your name here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kim si Marydel. So guys, imagine. Ano ba nickname ngayon? O sige, Mads, congrats sa your consistent lagi. Oh, mamaya pa, happy birthday, Mads. Guys, tignan nyo, 7 out of 25 nasa SDIA. Kung ganyan ang numero, di ba dapat nagna-number 1 district tayo? Yes! Bakit hindi? Top heavy tayo. Ibig sabihin, marami tayong strong units. Pero yung middle tsaka lower natin, kailangan umangat. Guys, okay ba yan? Yes. So meaning kaya naman natin natutumin 28% of this galing sa SDIA. Imagine mo, 7 out of 25. So kung konti na lang guys, January pa lang naman to. What if may umangat pa ng February, March, April? The more units na mapasasama sa top 25, ibig sabihin nun, talaga na gumaganda na yung production ng district. So kaya natin, guys. Kailangan ng lahat mag-contribute. Okay? So hindi lang yung 7 natin na nandito, na units, ang dapat magdadala sa district. Alright? Sige, sige, baka may gusto mag-picture, sige, may picture natin si Zara. Anyway, maglalabas ulit ako ng official pag lumabas na yung official. Sige. Ito quickly naman, 2 lang so far yung incentives natin for Feb. Meron tayong double credit. Di ba? January 1 to 7. Check nyo lang yung memo. At saka ito, flash na ni Shasha earlier. Yung ano natin, activation. Parang activation siya. Pero meet more on active agent talaga. So, ang basis nito is February beginning manpower. Di ba, most often than not, ending manpower of the previous month is the beginning manpower of the current month. Ganoon naman, di ba? Unless may mga delisment, etc. Net na yon. So dito lumalabas, pag naka 50% ka, 3.8 per active agent. Pag 40%, 2.8 per active agent. Pag 30%, 1.8 per active agent. At pag 25%, 800 per active agent. Plus, may 500 pesos pa siya pag inactivate nyo yung coded ng 24-25. So meaning may special emphasis sa rookies. Coded ng 2024-2025, pag na-activate nyo, may plus 500 kayo. Alright?
Guys, so pakisulat na lang sa mga unit meetings ngayong Feb, di ba? Pro service, sinabi ko na yon. Guys, turuan nyo uli ng riders. Kasi 3 optional riders na naman. Malamang protection drive, 3 optional riders. Turuan nyo ngayong February. Bakit mahalaga ang LCB? Blah, 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 blah. Bakit mahalaga ang LCAP? Diba? Ano ang expiration ng WPTPD? turuan nyo girl, no? Magpa-quiz kayo ng fun, tapos gawa ka ng QP for ganito, ganyan. Tapos team yung ito, yung mga trabahong tamad na ng agents, yung ibig sabihin tayo gagawa. Mag-come up ka na ng QP, di ba? Ng one-pager, 25, 30, 35, 40 years old, tapos may 4 na optional riders. Yun, tapos yun na yung pwede nilang ipadala. Okay? So guys, this unit meeting ha, i-discuss nyo uli yung riders, tsaka emphasize bakit mahalaga. Okay? Ano rin yan team, kasi pag mas maraming riders, syempre mas malaki din yung premium. Okay?
Thank you, Sha. So again, reminder, 3 optional riders and cumulative AP of 40,000. Don't forget that, okay? Para mag-count siya as one. Ngayon, just to show with you, binase ko lang to sa ending manpower ng January. Ito rin pwede yung targeted per unit. At 25%, 30, 40, 50. Ito yung mga active agents ninyo. So kung ako sa inyo guys, gumawa na kayo ng targets and monitoring. So every week, i-monitor nyo ilan na ba yung active agent ko, nasa 25% na ba ako ganyan. But of course, kailangan pumasok siya dun sa 3 optional riders and 40,000. But just sharing with you yan, yung per branch, ilan yung pwedeng i-target based on your manpower count. Alright, beginning manpower naman ito. So kahit magdagdag kayo ng bagong recruit, ngayong buwan na to, hindi makakount yun. Okay? So ang basis ng activity ratio will be your beginning manpower this February. So maganda yun, advantage yun for you. Alright? So basically that's it for me. I will no longer extend my time because I would like to give the floor naman to our newest training sector head. So yung last year kasama natin si Joan Abis. Right now, ito nire-request nyo last year, di ba, na pumunta from time. Ngayon sa akin na siya, di ba? Not other than Mr. Albert Medina. Hindi siya kanta na, Albert Ford Medina, hindi gano'n ha?
Sampol. Sampol. Sampol.
Morning po, Eslia. So,
Morning.
ayan, it's nice to be back. No? January last year, ako po ay narito din. Although, I think ma'am, the agenda there was questions about underwriting po. So, from last year po, so you allow me to share a little bit about what happened last year. Nasa Vismin sector po ako last year. Although, nandito po ako sa Manila. But of course, just like what happens sa ating sales, medyo binabalasa po tayo. Yeah. Ma'am, hindi po itanong yung Shaft last January 2020. So hindi ko pa po mamasagot. But for now po, ako po ay naka-assign sa MM1. And so I'd like to thank po si LSD and si DM Shaft for allowing me to, this will last for around 5 minutes lang po. No? So ang aming for this year, training will come still in the form of support. So, ang training po will come in the form of support, whether it's recruitment, activation, productivity, and many other things. So, even sa mga events po, makikita niyo po kami, nagka-herders, at iba pa. So, for this year, as you may have noticed po sa ating mga posters, we are slowly moving towards face-to-face sessions. Okay, so hindi naman po ito nangangahulugan na mawawala na totally ang virtual. But we will be moving sa ating face-to-face. So that includes ating ROP2, product recharge, VIP, Pro Sales Career Ambassadors. Pro Sales Career Ambassadors, not sure po kung tayo po yung naka-attend o yung ating mga agents. But basically po si PCA, meron po tayo dyan parang introductory course into estate planning. So kumbaga po, kung tayo po hindi naka-attend pa or maybe not, we do not have the time or opportunity to attend yung mga external courses, Certified Wealth Planning, etc. Meron po introductory course sa ating PCA courses. So of course, we have Rep Up for sophomores na medyo hindi po productive. Second initiative po natin is, ito po ay, again, our programs are sort of aligned sa ating product activation rather. So meron din po tayong tinatawag na Breakfast of Champions. This is something I heard last year, na ito po yung isang incentive sa ating mga rookies from pre-pandemic. Meron silang, yun po, merong Breakfast of Champions. Breakfast incentive sa ating mga magiging active na agents. Third, for this year, ang ating pong ROP2 and product recharge, or ROP2 specifically po, magkakaroon tayong accreditation program. Sa SLIA po, meron, sa district po natin, meron po tayong mga accredited trainers for ROP1. So ano pong pakinabang ng ROP1 accreditation? Ibig sabihin po, ang ating mga recruits, hindi po sila necessarily kailangang umattend ng ating actual session na conducted na ating trainers. Kasi kung meron po accredited trainer from the branch, sila na po ang pwede kumuha. Opo. So, ayun po yung pwede. Sa SDA po ako. Kasi isa pong accredited trainer SDA ay kaibigan ko from Sir Mike's branch, si Ira po. So, accredited trainer. And next po ay, ito po yung discuss ko. Actually, nadaanan na po ni DM kanina yung ating new for expert LMS. And then finally, IC exam review. Dadaanan ko po in the next few slides very quickly. So ito po, no, tulad ng aking nabanggit, these are the programs that will be offering slowly face-to-face. So dito po medyo hindi siya ganun ka-challenging kasi sa Manila, meron tayong mga offices sa Ortigas, sa Makati, and narinig ko po na as of last week, inaayos po yung ating crew house, Alabang. So meron na po, hindi lang po siya ganun kalaki sa annex. So meron na po tayo, nakita ko na po yung mga pictures ng mga space. But we'll have to wait for...
Papala pa ako, sabi ko na alam. Malapit na ako sa alam. Ay, malayo. Batang mo pala. Hindi pala siya profile.
So sharing po obviously some of the benefits po ng face-to-face sessions tulad po ito. Siyempre active engagement na hindi po natin makukuha kapag online. Kasi nangyari pag online, no, maybe kahit sa mga branch or district meetings, may na-unmute, may naririnig na aso, nagluluto, nasa tricycle, etc. And also immediate feedback. Pwede magtanong agad kaysa mag-aantay sa ating chat box. Third, also confidence and competence. This is especially true po sa ating mga recruits. No? Talagang bagong-bago, hindi pa familiar sa konsepto ng insurance. So this is an opportunity for them to learn, to engage, and to share feedback with other recruits. Also group collaboration. Familiar, I think, I can only speak doon po sa aking nasaga po from Ms. Joanne. Ang SDA po kasi partner din in terms of PIP, yung ating program for activation. Ang PIP po kasi is designed to be a learning platform na kung saan it engages different kinds of learners. Narinig na po siguro natin, there are different kinds of learners. Merong visual, may auditory, meron din yung looking aesthetic. So sa PIP, ganun po yung design niya, na hindi po siya ganun ka-efficient kapag ginawa natin online. And then finally, better concentration. Sa next slide ko po, ito po ay na-share na po ni Misha. So we have yung ating tinatawag na panibagong pro expert. Ang pangalan po talaga niya is Docibo. So parang Italian name. But it's still pro expert LMS. Hopefully it will be better and it will not suffer the errors that we might have encountered po sa ating old pro expert LMS. Ako po personally, hindi ko pa siya gaanong na-discover. But ang goal po nito is to make the training experience more seamless po para sa ating ating agency force. Okay, so meron lang pong ilang mga feedback din na-receive sa ahensya in the past week, especially as we start yung ating first virtual session na ROP1 bukas. So should you encounter po any errors, glitches, pwede naman ako naman po pwede yung i-message sa GC o yung ating help desk through Academy Help Desk. Share ko lang din po, although nadaanan po ni LSD kanina, we were checking the data of takers ng IC exam. And nakita po namin from last year, ang may pinakamalaki pong count of takers, ICSD at Denver po. So, bakit ko po siya binabanggit? Kasi po, dito po sa amin po sa Pro Academy, we're also offering resources that will help our recruits pass the exam. Tanong ko lang po, no, siguro, raise of hands, sa mga recruits po natin from last year, meron po ba tayong napagbigyan ng ating mga mock exams?
No.
So yes po. Pero napansin po namin as we visit our other branches, marami po hindi aware nito. So share ko lang po, may kwento. Last year, sige ma, last year we also took the exams, meaning people from HR. So in the exam, I particularly took almost all of the questions mirrored ng ating mock exams. Maybe around March or April next year. So, ang ginawa po ng aming mga trainers, some of us took the IC exclusives, yung ACE Online, iba po IIAP. And we developed from our experience yung ating mga panibagong IC exams. Ang difference po ng ating panibagong mock exams is that these are more accessible. kumpara dati. So nakalagay po dyan, no, stuck in traffic, doom scrolling, pwede pong i-access ang ating IC exam. So I believe si ating RD ang panibago, si Sir Terence, who shared this, but for this month, we will be sharing these resources once more para po sa ating mga recruits. So now, I think this is my third to the last slide. So these are our usual sessions pa rin, no? ROP1, Pro Review. Maaari kong umaten na ating recruits ng Pro Review. Ang Pro Review po ay dinisenyo para po mas lumalim sila sa concept ng insurance. So lahat ng concept ng bonds, equities, cash value, dividends, tatalakay. Underwriting, persistency, quality matters, after sales claims, new products kung meron po, this will be offered still optional, although not mandatory po itong session sa baba. So to summarize na po aking na-discuss, basically po tatlo yung aking naisipan natin. Number one, our training sessions will be for the most part face-to-face, but not to the exclusion of virtual stage. Second, nakaabang po sa ating training team in the form of support sa recruitment, activation, at iba pa. And third, yung ating pong IC exam app. Sana po magamit natin. So, Misha, last na lang po talaga. Meron po akong pending question from you and from BM Jovi. Ito po yung special. Laanin ko na lang po dito. Hindi ko pa alam kung paano explain sa GC. So, may tanong po sina BM and DM from last Friday. Is it possible ba na magamit, I think, yung document yung nirelease ni Blue for a special investor resident visa? So I asked yung ating mga HO partners, sabi po nila when our clients request for a visa, hindi po naka-specify anong klaseng visa. But the understanding daw is yung visa na yun o yung certificate of insurance na yun can be used regardless po dun sa concern ng ating client. Ang pwede pong gawin ng ating client is to specify sa request ano yung gusto pa niyang ipadagdag. So ano po ibig sabihin? Minsan po kasi nagpapadagdag ng fund value, name of product, beneficiaries. So, I believe po, if my memory serves me, yung nakalagay pong last line doon, this is being issued by ProLife UK for whatever purpose it may serve. So, kung meron pong nais, ipa-specify lang yung ating client for that special investor resident visa, ilalagay lang po doon sa contact data sa ibig, ProLifeUK.com.ph. So, yun po ang aking presentation. Maraming salamat.
Yan, thank you, sir. Guys, okay naman, na-text nyo na lahat ng gusto nyong i-text. Oh, sige, question. Si Ardan mo na.